Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So this won't be a hugely long video, but it'll just be about the UK budget end of October 2024, so a bit longer than my previous video. I'll go into a little bit more detail here. So yeah, so just initially, if you're on minimum wage, yes, you will be better off. Assuming you're working full time, etc., you will be better off than you would have been in the previous year. It only takes effect from April next year, so it's not instantaneous. But effectively, how it'll work is if you're working 40 hours a week times 52 weeks, and then also you get your holidays normal, I take it. Basically, you'll be about £1,600 better off per year. So that's great. So it's about 130 or so pound per month that you'll be better off, assuming you're on minimum wage and you get the increase. So it's about a 6.7% increase, so above inflation increase. So it's great. And what you won't keep all of that £130, unfortunately, because the tax bands are staying the same. The tax-free allowance, 12,570 is not changing. And for employees, the national insurance kind of levels aren't changing either. Basically, you'll pay more tax because more of your income is in the taxable ranges than it would have been if either you didn't get a pay increase or if the thresholds had moved up with inflation or something. But because they're not, this is how it will be unless anything changes before then, which is unlikely. So yeah, of that, you know, £1,600 a year pay increase, about £133. From that, you've got to deduct the tax increase as an income tax. So if your minimum wage now at £11.44, you'll be paying something around two, 2,200, that kind of mark. And unless you've got deductions, which might be worth looking at, like if you've got to wash a uniform or if you have to work at home, all that kind of stuff, you can get tax deductions, so it might be slightly different. But if you move on to this higher salary, so £12.21 from April 2025, you will be on a higher taxable amount, and you'll be paying it's 20,000. 2,550 roughly. Again, exemptions will kind of reduce that. So it's about £300 more. So from your initial, £130 more per month, you've got to straight away from income tax alone take about £25 of that off. Which is £300 a year. So that goes straight away. So that leaves you with, just over £100. And then you've also got to be aware that your national insurance bill will also increase because obviously more of your pay is in that taxable band there. So it'll go from about £900 a year now up to it's about £1,026 it'll go up to. So to keep it a little bit more straightforward, I'll say £125 more you'll pay over a year. So if it was £120, it'd be £10 exactly a month. It'll be just over that. So from your remaining £105 ish, or 100, if it's £110 you've got after the tax kind of comes out extra per month, take a £10 off. So it's about £100 better off you'll be per year if you're on minimum wage. Yeah, so hopefully that's helpful. I'll probably do another few videos on this, but I would say for low income earners, that's probably the main takeaway from this. Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe.